In this video, I'm demoing the MyMK Mattifying Skincare Night Routine. Step 1. Remove eye makeup using MyMK Oil-Free Eye Makeup Remover with a facial cloth. Don't forget to shake up the eye makeup remover like I did, then saturate the facial cloth. Hold on the eye for a few seconds to soften the eye makeup. The eye makeup remover works on regular and waterproof eye makeup. Add more eye makeup remover as needed to remove as much eye makeup as possible. Folding the facial cloth to remove eyeliner and proceeding to entire face as needed. The eye makeup remover also removes face and lip products, even long-wearing lipsticks. Step 2. Cleanse face using MyMK Mattifying Cleanser. Squirt about a quarter size in hands, adding water to create a good lather. Then use a warm facial towel to remove all traces of cleanser. Step 3. Exfoliate skin using MyMK exfoliating scrub. Squirt about a quarter size in hands, adding water if needed. Apply to face in circular motions, avoiding the eye areas. Don't forget the neck area as well. Remove exfoliating scrub with a full rinse to make sure all scrub beads are removed. Using only a facial cloth may leave some of these scrub beads on face, which we do not want. So rinse thoroughly. No matter where you are on your skincare journey, even if you're not ready for age-defying products, you can have healthy skin your way with 4 fundamental products that are suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Mary Kay Skincare is available in a hydrating regimen for normal to dry skin and a modifying regimen for combination to oily skin. Both regimens are featured in the Ultimate Luxury Beauty Experience starter kits. More on that offer in another video. As you can see, I go a little overboard with the rinse step, but I don't want to risk getting any product in my eyes. After rinsing, dry face with a facial towel. Now we are ready for step 4. Tone skin using Mary Kay Balancing Toner. Saturate a cotton ball or cotton square with Mary Kay Balancing Toner and sweep across skin in upward strokes. Sometimes I do deviate and sweep in all directions, but the point is to tone the face and neck, avoiding the eyes. As you see, I don't miss any areas. If needed, use Mary Kay oil-free eye makeup remover to remove remaining traces of eye makeup. This time I used a cotton ball, and yes, I know, I could be a little more gentle. Step 5. Pamper skin using Mary Kay Time-Wise Repair Voluform Night Treatment with retinol in place of Mary Kay Mattifying Moisturizer. With a new jar, it will take quite a few pumps to bring product to the jar's surface. I dab a little more than a quarter size on the back of my hand, so I'm not touching the jar so much. Applying to an entire face and neck, I avoid the eye area. Since this form of retinol is not designed for the eye area and will sting if it gets into the eyes. Matter of fact, I can feel the slight tingling on my face and neck. It looks like I overdo it, but trust me, once you experience Mary Kay skincare, you won't stop touching your face either. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another video.